Hello and welcome. In this video, we change the color of anything in Premiere Pro. First, go to Lumetri Color, and if you don't have it, go to Windows and add it. In the Lumetri Color, go to HSL Secondary. We have these three keys. Use the first one to pick a color. And to see the color, go and highlight this color gray. This is the color that we pick. Then go to plus color picker and click and drag all around the object that you want to change the color of it. And like you see, by mistake I picked a white color. The cool thing is you can go to minus picker and delete any color. Add a little bit of blur and denoise. In order to change the actual color, you can do it in the color wheel. And if you need more real color, you can split this and add shadow and highlight. Add more hue or saturation and lightness if you want. So there you go, the way to change any color in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.